From this to this. Agoy, anyare. Hello, my name is Fem, and this is my story. I started my fitness journey back in mid-October 2024 at 65 kilograms. After just 50 days of consistent workouts, I already saw results. And because I love how it made me feel, I kept going. Early 2025, I added calorie deficit and stayed consistent for 3 months. Hindi ko na ipapakita lahat, baka humaba na tong video. It took me almost a year to reach 54 kilograms. I lost 11 kilograms, but it wasn't easy. There are many times na tumitigil ako. 2 weeks walang workout, overeating, stress. Pero bawat beses na nadadapa ako, pinipilit kong bumalik. Kaya siguro naging paulit-ulit din ang reset ko. Late December 2025, I reached 53 kilograms. Sobrang lapit ko na sa target ko na 50 kilograms. Akala ko tuloy-tuloy na. Hanggang sa na-overwhelm, na-stress sa work, nawalan ng time sa workout. For 2 months, I stopped. Hindi ko na nakontrol ang pagkain ko. Hindi ko na nakontrol ang routine ko. From 53 kilogram, I went back to 54.9 kilogram. Almost 2 kilos again. Ang sakit, no? But this time, I'm choosing to come back stronger. Now, I'm rebuilding my confidence and my routine. I call this my lifestyle reset, becoming 1% better every day. I started again with 10K steps daily and slowly getting back to calorie deficit. No pressure, no rush, just showing up every single day. So, samahan mo ako, and if you're trying to start again, you're not alone. Let's do this together.